Okay, so it's been about at least a month since this tractor ran out here in the dark. Battery's dead. So I'm gonna crack the gas, see if we're able to crank start it. I'll turn the choke on for the first two pulls. Hopefully take it off for the third and that'll start. So I had a problem with it stalling on me a few times on the way to the shop here. I think you can see probably why. It's not a surprise. I have to take the tank off, clean it out well. Either that or check out what the tank is on the parts tractor that we have out at the farm. Anyways, got her in here. I'm not going to be able to take it apart to the point where I was hoping to get started working on it by this time of year, because we still have this guy here. Hopefully tomorrow I can get a cam for that motor that's sitting over there. Start putting that back together so that I can get this over into that spot and start taking apart the rear end. First job on this is going to be, other than the cleaning the gas tank, is going to be replacing the rear wheel bearings, seals, everything there. When you jack this up, you can rock the tire back and forth. It's not pretty. You jack up one side, water runs out the other. That ain't great either. So I'm trying to keep this away from freezing outside anyways until I get a chance to get at it here. I might even end up draining the crankcase. So anyways, I guess that's enough for tonight.